Well, guess what? He saw a shadow. Yep, that's right. Little Phil, the famous underground dweller, weatherman slash. He actually did see a shadow this morning, so we're going to go ahead and call it for 6 more weeks of winter. Now, meteorologically, there's a little bit of science there. Supposedly, the cold air from the north would keep the skies clear, so he sees a shadow. Therefore, winter is still in full gear. But, of course, they are getting some very cold weather in and around that area. Look at the temperature change. Although some warm air is behind it, look at the big difference between, say, Montana and Des Moines. Huge difference temperature-wise. But, boy, yeah, Phil's definitely needed a snow shovel this morning. From what I saw in the video, it was quite cloudy and a lot of snow on the ground. 40s and a few 50s right there for our morning hours. We're starting out slow and quiet as far as the atmosphere. It's a very quiet atmosphere, as I just mentioned, but there might be some changes coming as we pull away from our radar. Area of high pressure that's been holding us hostage from the rain systems is beginning to weaken just a little bit. It's flattening, which means that as it does, cloud cover will roll over the top of it. And yes, indeed, some much needed rainfall, at least for areas of Northern California, is likely by the middle and second half of the first week of our new month here. For us, though, slight chance might come for the Central Coast by about Thursday or Friday. Very slight, but at least it looks like some things might be changing. Overnight 40s and 50s will turn into some beautiful weather. I guess Punxsutawney Phil gives them more winter. We get more of the same, which is very nice weather. So we'll be talking about 60s and 70s above normal for this time of year for at least the next 2 to 3 days, maybe 4 days before we start to go back the other way, get near normal, and start bringing in those slight rain chances for the Central Coast, again, possibly by next weekend. So again, really beautiful day out there across the region. As far as that forecast, officially there it is with Phil again showing his head for our Monday. And then look at that, by the end of the week we increase the cloud cover. So the good news is we are going to try to get a little bit more winter off the Pacific Ocean because we desperately need it. Northern California especially